Trading days, August 22nd, 2015. What I'm going to do here is just quickly go over what a synodic cycle is. I've mentioned it a few times, but I've still received questions. So this chart is a weekly chart of the S&P 500 going back to, I guess, the early 1990s, and the various icons here relate to the Jupiter-Neptune synodic cycle, and let me just briefly go over them. And I'm going to go back to 1996. Actually, I'm going to go back to 1997. And if you look at the chart, there's a small red dot here. That's the conjunction. That's when Jupiter and Neptune would be at the same place in the sky. So that's the start of any synodic cycle. There's a conjunction. I'm only showing the major transits. So the first transit we see here, these three red squares, they are the 90-degree aspect, the square. There's three of them. There was some retrograde motion, so we had a 3-pass. You'll also note that's marking the top here in the 2000 run-up. The blue circles, light blue circles, there's also three of them, and they're the trine, the waxing trine. I should have mentioned the square. That's the waxing square. And so now we hit the waxing trine. We slid down, and these double arrows, they are the opposition. So in the sky, Jupiter is opposing Neptune. Also a 3-pass, and they also marked out very well the 2002 and 2003 lows. After we pass the opposition, we get another group of trines, and these are the waning trines. The ones occurring after the opposition. The squares, it's the waning squares, and we got the top here in 2007, and you can't see it very well, but there's three red dots here. That's the next conjunction. So that's one whole synodic cycle. When I was looking at these a few weeks ago, that's where I got the idea we're approaching this opposition, and what happened the last time. And if we go back, it's often appearing near a low, the opposition of Jupiter and Neptune. That's all I'm going to say on this one. Thanks for listening.